Okay. Dhanashree is ready. Any more? From A division only. Okay. Ketki. Okay. Balaji, I unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait. Huh. Just draw a line. Where is River Amazon located? Yes, where the River Amazon is located.
But there is no,
Draw a line there.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell in the second state?
Okay. Okay, it is located in the northern direction. At near which state?
It's
Oh,
located near
is it
Paco di
located here?
Neblina.
Is it located here?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is it correct, student? Is it correct? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, Balaji, you can mute yourself. So same as I did here with our activity, because this done by me, I want outline from your side, student. Okay. Okay. So now, Ketki, I unmuted you. Ketki, where is river Itapikuru? Okay, Akansha, fine. Okay, Ketki, where is river Itapikuru? Okay, very good. Morvika, you did a very good, well done. So from A division and from C division, I want to know from your side, students, is she did a correct? Yes. Okay, Revati is saying yes. Samarth is saying yes. Sadaf is saying yes. Okay, fine. So now B division get to 5 points. Good. Well done, B division. And yes, A division is also getting. Okay, fine. So now we move to the C division. Okay. So now C division, I want to only C division will raise the hand. Okay. Only C division. Okay. First of all, I want to see the hand raised. Then I will ask the question. Okay. So where is Marizo Island? Where is Marizo Island? Okay, Sadaf, I unmuted you. Okay, I
Good
allow.
morning.
Good morning. I allow you. Now tell me, where is Marizo Island?
Teacher, can I draw?
Yes, you can draw. Where is Marizo Island? Okay, good. From A division and from C division, I want the answer from them only. Sorry, from A division and B division. Yes, okay. Manasvi is saying yes, she is did correct. Okay. Then Anshika is saying fine. Yes. Okay, good. So yes, C division, you will get the 5 points. I am not given a chance to division because I will show their outline. So now give a chance to A division. Okay. Okay, from A division, who is ready? Just raise your hand. First of all, raise your hand. And ask question. Okay. No score of A division up till now because I not ask any question, na beta. Sadaf is also fine. Now I ask you some different question. Okay.
Ma'am, should I mute?
But the Indian line. But now we'll. So from C division, I want different name now. C division, Shri or A division, just lower down your hand. C division, who is ready? Mark the outline. Okay, students. Yes, all are correct. Okay, fine. So, students ready? Just lower down your hands. Okay, student, is I am audible? Mark there. Where is Gulf of Kutch? Yes, Lavyada, very good. Okay, students, is he did properly? If yes, just put in the chat box yes. Okay. Okay, Anshu Chaurasia is saying yes. Bhumi Patil is saying yes. Okay. Sonal is saying yes. Revati is saying yes. Okay. Okay. Now we move to the B division. Okay. Okay. Now from B division, who is ready? Oh my God. B division is intelligent. Okay. So we go with Bhumi Patil. Bhumi Patil, I unmuted you
Yes, teacher.
on your webcam. Okay. Now I allow you. Just tell me, where is river Sabarmati? Just draw there. Where is river Sabarmati? Bhumi, are you there? I will only count till 10. Huh? Yes. No. Bhumi Patil. I'm talking about Bhumi Patil. So she will do only. None of the other person will give a hint to her. Okay, she rejoined again. Okay, fine. So now where is river Sabarmati is located?
Teacher, river
Okay,
Sabarmati.
Yes. Just
Teacher,
draw there.
how do I annotate?
Draw the line.
Teacher, how?
One pin is there.
Where?
Below
No, teacher, I'm not able to annotate.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Uh,
So in which direction it is located?
teacher, in Arabian Sea, the location of Arabian Sea. Teacher,
In
here
which
the
direction? East, west, north, south?
uh, 1 minute, teacher. East, west, north. Teacher,
Okay,
east. Here,
in
here.
which state river Sabarmati is located? In which state? Yes, exactly correct, student. I got an answer from A division. Good. Okay, C division is also answering. Yes, it is located in which state. If you given me a proper answer, you will get a point. If you will not give me a proper answer, in which state river Sabarmati is. Good morning. Okay, let me know where is Satpura ranges.
Satpura ranges. Wait. Sorry, teacher, don't know.
No, I will not. Neha, is you read properly, student? Is Neha is read properly? Okay, Avinash is saying no. Devansh is saying yes. Sadak Sahil is saying yes. Aryan is saying no. Okay, Chetan is saying yes. Okay. So, yes, she is doing properly. Yes, Dhanashri, your answer is correct. But it is little bit below, okay? Then I'm okay, Manasvi, Purva. So, okay, student, in which state River Kaveri is located? In which state River Kaveri is located? Okay, Ashka, very good. Sadap is saying Tamil Nadu. Okay, fine. Puducherry. Okay, Samiksha. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay. So River Kaveri is located here. Just so River Kaveri is located here. Okay, students. As my so up till here, I think you understand how to draw this both sides. Okay, 22 participants are there. 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, fine. 67. Okay. 68 are there. Okay. So 68 up till now. Okay, 73 are there. Seventy-six. What about other students? Even as well. Fine. So now, as we can see, 91 is there. And here the first rank is okay. First rank is Bhumi Tiwari, second is Lav Yadav, and third is Anjali Gupta. Okay. Yes. So good. I hope that you learned so many things.